Hello there, garden family. I'm Natalee from SacredSeedsJA. I am creating a backyard food forest. Today I will be planting a cherry tree. It is about 2 feet tall. You are welcome on this journey. It's not just a tree, it's an investment. If you have land, even a small patch, planting is one of the simplest ways to care for your future. I am clearing a small patch of the lawn with my machete. Planting is more than work, it's hope. For anyone with land, don't leave it bare. Don't wait, plant something today. A tree, a shrub, a garden. I am digging a deep hole with my fork and my shovel, making sure the roots will have room to stretch and to grow and to thrive. It's not just about what you eat now, it's about creating nourishment and security and a little inheritance for yourself and your family. I know it's easy to get lazy or think, oh, I'll start tomorrow. But every small action you take today will grow into something bigger tomorrow. And your body will thank you too, because the food you grow is fresh and it's nutrient rich and life-giving. Into the hole, I'm adding chopped banana stalks, and I'll put dried banana leaves as well. These will slowly feed the tree, holding moisture and giving life to the soil. Carefully placing my cherry tree, gently covering its roots with soil. and I'm tucking it in like a little seedling sleeping in a warm bed. Now I'm mulching around the tree with banana leaves. I am bordering this spot with some stones to give it some protection. Cherries are a special tree to plant. They are rich in antioxidants and vitamins and minerals that can help your body recover and also to fight inflammation and even to sleep better at night. Just imagine picking a handful of cherries from your own yard, knowing that you planted that, you nurtured that, and you're now reaping its rewards. That's nourishment for your body and joy for your spirit. Yes, sir. So friends, if you have land, even a little space, use it. Plant a tree, plant a garden, protect your future, and nourish your body, and build something beautiful with your own hands. Small steps like these grow into security and health and abundance over time. Remember, planting is hope in action. Don't wait. Start today, no matter how small. Thank you for spending these moments with me. If you want to follow the journey of this cherry tree, hit the subscribe button and let's grow together. One tree, one garden, one meal at a time.